Hello, my dear friends. Happy Saturday from Bangladesh and welcome back to my another Clean Planet Walk. How are you all, my dear friends? I hope all are well and I am also good. And you know, I am Damul Islam from Tangal district of Bangladesh. Friends, today is Saturday, 23 July 2022. Now morning time, this Saturday morning, I will try to remove polluted garbage, polluted plastic, all plastic from the green nature and soils in our region. Friends, you can see behind my back, very beautiful green nature, green place. Here many type of green nature, big and small tree, all around beautiful place. Friends, you know I always try to save the green nature. I always try to remove polluted plastic, all plastic from the green nature. Because polluted plastic, all plastic very bad for our green nature, our soils, our natural place, our public place. So friends, this Saturday morning I visiting this natural place or a green place in our region. I walking here and I saw here some polluted garbage, old plastic. I saw some old plastic is stuck in green nature and in the soils. So now I collect the polluted garbage and old plastic from here and threw them in the dustbin. So friends, let's go. Cleaning mission is start now. Just action. Friends, and a bag in my hand, big bag. Now I collect polluted plastic, old plastic, cigarette packs from here. Friends, first I saw here one old cigarette pack. This is a very old and dirty. So now I collected this old cigarette pack from green nature. সবুজ প্রকৃতি থেকে এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Plastic product. Friends, I saw plastic stuck in green nature, very old plastic. One more plastic stuck in green nature. So I collected this plastic from here, old plastic. This is a very bad for our green nature. Old newspapers here, old newspapers and cigarette butts. Another cigarette butts here. Three cigarette butts. Friends, I collected 3 cigarette butts from these soils. This is a very old newspaper stuck in soils. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Polluted product. Cigarette butts and newspapers here. Another newspapers here stuck in garden soils and green nature. And another cigarette butts here. I collected this cigarette butt and another newspapers. Another small plastic here stuck in green nature. This is small plastic, very bad for our green nature. So I collected this polluted plastic from here. Then I saw another plastic product here and a newspaper stuck in soils, green nature. One more cigarette butts here. cigarette butts, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। মাশরুম, friends, I saw here big and old plastic stuck in green nature. Friends, this old plastic really dirty. This old plastic really very bad for our uh, green nature. So I collected this old plastic from here. আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another old and big plastic here, green nature area, very old big plastic. I collected this plastic from here. Another plastic here. সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another old plastic stuck in soils, মাটিতে আটকে আছে, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I saw another old plastic here, so I collected this old plastic from here. One more old plastic here, very dirty, stuck in soils, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Another old plastic here, kitty, another old plastic here, friends, this plastic is really very bad for our green nature, so I collected this old plastic from here. Another plastic, one more plastic here, another plastic here, old plastic. I saw another plastic stuck in green nature here, old plastic, 1, 2, very old and polluted. Friends, I saw one plastic stuck in soils, old plastic, so I collected this plastic from here. Friends, this old plastic really very bad for soils, green nature, so I collected this old plastic from here. Another old plastic stuck in soils, মাটির জন্য খুবই ক্ষতিকর, এটা আমি বের করলাম। Another old plastic, another plastic, I collected many plastics from here, friends. This is a very bad for our soils and green nature, so I collected this all polluted plastic from here. Friends, I saw here some unused product. This glass, this is a very dangerous product for us and public place, so I collected this glass and another garbage from here, plastic. Friends, I collected many old plastic, polluted plastic, many old plastic from green nature and soils. Friends, this old plastic really very bad for our nature, soils, old plastic, cigarette butt, cigarette pack. Friends, you can see I collected many old plastic from green nature and soil. This all polluted old plastic is very bad for our natural place, green nature, soils, public place. So sometimes I visiting the natural place, green place, and try to remove polluted plastic, old plastic from green nature and natural place. Friends, now stop this bag because my cleaning mission finished now. Back time এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin. Let's go, sir. Polluted plastic and polluted old plastic, polluted garbage, cigarette butts, cigarette pack. আমি এখন ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। Friends, this our area's dustbin. I threw this garbage bag in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. This was my nature cleaning mission in the Saturday morning.